a lot of models online, but sometimes we want to make our own, or to make changes to models that we find. We can make some of these changes in Meshmixer using the Sculpt Tools. This allows us to edit our models as though they were made out of a digital form of clay. Click on the object you wish to edit, and then click Sculpt. From here, we can access the Brushes menu, which gives us an array of tools to try. Each brush is used by clicking and dragging on the model to paint with that effect. The Draw tool adds bulk to the areas it's used. You can make any brush bigger or smaller using the size slider. The Drag tool allows you to pull an area of the model around. The Pinch tool makes little peaks along your model. And the Robust Smooth tool allows you to even out areas. There are a few more types of brushes, so feel free to have a play with those, as well as the sliders under Properties to change different features of the brushes. It's easy when using Sculpt Tools to introduce strange geometry to your model, so it's good to use the Make Solid function every now and then, because it fixes any weird bits for you. You also don't need to start this process with an existing model. You can use a simple sphere to begin with, and then build a model totally from scratch using these sculpting tools. Sculpting is also just one way to edit a model. For less organic, more structured items like, say, a building or a table, you might want to use something like Tinkercad instead of Meshmixer. And for real-life functional items with strict dimensions and parameters, for example something like a tool, you might want to try some proper CAD software like Fusion 360. G'day! Please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell icon, and share me around. If you have any questions about this content, or you just want to hang out, I have Twitter, Patreon, Discord, and a website. See you later!